Hello, I'm Smithy. This is my Contiki. And there, what I just showed you was Hastings nuclear power stations. They're just behind me. And there's George. So we're going to see some accessories in this video, but things are getting quite serious in our country now. And the reason I wanted to show you that, before the security come and move me, because they're looking at me, Sellafield, which is a reprocessing plant not far from where I live, well, it's up the road, up the sea if you will, they've just laid off most of their workers. Now if them two buildings do the same, that's Hastings nuclear power stations. If they lay their workers off, that's the end of our power. So I'm going to show you how to cook the most basic way of cooking possible, which 100 million Indians do every day. And but we'll have a look at that, and we'll show you the accessories as we go along. So it's a bit of a different video if you will. Hello Benji. So that's what we're going to do. I've had some fun making it, and I hope you enjoy it. And this is a turning circle, so I've got to move. How good is that? Hey, and it's windy. That'll dry your washing. And it weighs about a bag of sugar. So not that heavy. Although we are being blown away. Oh God. Hey, I'll tell you what I did do. I showed you something wrong the other day. When I showed you this in my last video, I was closing it and trying to fiddle with the key and hold the camera. I was making a mess of it. You don't do that. What you actually do, you put the key in to unlock it, and you don't use the key to lock it. That's locked. Told you it was windy. Oh. I said it was windy. Don't weigh anything that. So we can wash our clothes on site or wherever, dry them ourselves. You don't need to pay. Wife's coming for a brew now. I said I'm going to make a video on the bypass. She said, well, make me a brew, I'll turn up. She's been at work. Anyway, let's do some more gadgets in the van. Just remember that, you only use the key to unlock it, not to lock it. Hello, we're in my caravan at the minute. I can't bring myself to part with it. Grandkids keep wanting to stop in it when they stay. But how good is that? So I can wash our clothes, dry them for free. Why pay? I got this as well. Because whenever we... oh, there you are. Whenever you put the heating on in the van, the blown heating, you get, I'm blown away. The wind. You get obviously steam building up, so that now, there we go, on the window. Obviously not this window, it's for the window in the van. Somebody's not shut this properly. There we go. So yeah, look at that, simple. To the content, I do have one of them Carter window backs, but I've showed you before. But that just down the side of the driver's door well, misty morning, and where we go. I know you like my caravan. It's the same length as my van. It's the same layout as my van as well. I just don't want to part with it. I can't bring myself to. Been caravanning over 20 years, absolutely loved it. Best time of our lives, and now we've moved to a camper. So we're going to go and sort some food out. Let's go and do that. Hello again. I'd like to show you this torch. It's called an Erbauer. Now I paid $19.99 for it from Screwfix, and as you can see it's charging. It's got lights on to tell you when it's charged. Let me turn that fan off. I had it going through the inverter so you could see it charging. Comes with a mains lead and a 12 volt socket, so you can charge it in the front, charge it in there, or use the mains lead. But it's weighted and it's heavy. But look at that. How good's that? The thing is, if my power fails, great. I can put it on the step outside, take the dogs for a walk at night, I can see where I'm going. What a fabulous torch. I love my torches. Somebody said on, was it YouTube, somebody commented, do you like your torches? I do. You can never have enough torches. If the power goes, what are you going to do? Anyway, you charge that full, 5 hours it'll work. So you've got 5 hours use. I mean, even if you just had it like that, as a bit of a night light. I mean, you could take that camping, you could take it anywhere. It is a bit heavy, I must admit. That's probably the weight of what, as an equivalent, 3 or 4 bags of sugar. You know, so it's probably 3 or 4 pound, I would imagine. But yeah, what a good light. So I like that. LEDs, doesn't warm up, don't get hot. There you are. Erbauer. Never heard of them. But you charge it in the back there. And away you go. It will go on a stand. You can get the adapters for it. In fact, that looks like it'd go on an ordinary tripod, for a camera tripod. I would imagine. So there you go. How good's that? I like that. But especially if you're camping at night somewhere and it's pitch black, you can't see anything. You want to take your dogs for a walk, how do you do that? You can't do it in dark, you can't see anything. You don't lose about anything. So anyway, so that's why I got that. 1999 Screwfix.